Hello YouTube, this is Don from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a small haul from AC Moore, Joann's, and I think Michael's, and I think from the Dollar Tree, which you've seen this tape before. So Joann's, I picked up, they were 40% off, some planner stickers for my daughter. This one, which I don't know, you've seen these, so it was 40% off. This was 40% off. So they was like $5 each. So this is 66 and this one has 25. So then from AC Moore's, which is still not a big sale yet, but this was, I think, like 25% off. So it wasn't a big deal, but I did get that. And then I got these two frames, which were 50% off. These shadow boxes. You know, you can put baby memorabilia, scrapbook layouts, different things, medals, all kinds of stuff like that in there. So I got two of those. That was it. Really haven't found anything there yet. The prices were higher on some of the items. And then Michael's picked this up for my daughter, the little social media inserts. Of course, these were 50% off. And then I picked up this, the monthly planner. And this is the one she wanted. It has the spread, looks like that. And then, hold on one second. Okay, so I know I got some more stuff. Just a little bit. So I ended up picking up this set from Michael's, similar to this one at Joann's that I paid. It was on sale for $5 something. This was on clearance for $2. So I definitely went and got this, and I wish both of those had been on sale at my Michael's, but it just happened to be on clearance. It didn't have it marked anywhere, and it wasn't on the clearance aisle. It was actually on the regular planner aisle. And I just picked it up to scan it, and it came for $2 and I think 39 cents or something like that. So I was like, oh yeah, that's 2 packs of thick stamps. Definitely gonna get that. Picked that up from a cousin. She wanted that one. That was 70% off. I think it was $4.50 or something like that. And then I got these. Now these, they had them for $11.99. Didn't get them that day, so then the next day, that was on Saturday and Sunday, they went up to $13.99. Well, they still left $11.99. In fact, I'm filming this video 2 days later. The $11.99 sale is still hanging up there. Told the guy, he rang it up. I showed him the picture. I said, your sign says $11.99. So he said, yeah, we got to give it to you for $11.99. I said, okay. So he rang it up 3 times, and then anyway, he kept talking to me, and it still said $13.99. I said, you need it. And then I was walking out the door, and I checked my receipt, and I said, nope, got to take it off because it says $11.99. Even though he claimed he was re-ringing it for $11.99, he re-rang it for $13.99. So they slick and Michael sometimes. But anyway, so I got a price adjustment. Went back in there again today, and it still got the sign up to $11.99, and it doesn't have a date on it. So they're messing up because it is supposed to be $13.99. But anyway. So, and that's all I got. So that is my haul from Michael's, Joann's, Dollar Tree, and AC Moore's. So thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.